Hi. Our healthcare system isn't broken. It actually works perfectly. And the reason that I say it works perfectly is because it's rigged. It's rigged against you being healthy. There's too much profitability for the healthcare industry, particularly the pharmaceutical industry and the insurance industry, to keep you sick and unhealthy. And then when these sicknesses and this ill health runs into the point where you become very costly to the health insurance, you're now on Medicare, and that's the burden of the American people. So the health insurance industry keeps you just sick enough so that you use the pharmaceuticals from which they profit, and then when you become very expensive, they pass you off to a different insurance. It's a rigged system. It works perfectly. And full disclosure that if you eat and if you live the average American lifestyle, if you eat the average American diet and you see the average American doctor, you're going to die of the average American disease. We've seen it over and over, decade after decade after decade. And the only way to get away from this is to have a proactive approach, a predictive outcome, and personalized care that helps you get better and learn where your success lays as a consumer for consuming healthcare. We spend tons of money on our clothes, on our shoes, on cars, on junk foods, and on alcohol, but think about how much money do you really spend on your overall health. You get one body. It's the only body in which you're able to live. And if you're not spending as much time, effort, and energy on keeping that as healthy as you're keeping your wardrobe or your social life, you might find that you have an improved outcome by shifting those values. Multiple industries profit mightily off of our collective sickness and our collective ignorance, and the only way to really combat that is to decrease our sickness and get rid of our ignorance. And the way that we do it in the office is with the 1330 Blueprint. It's a very specific, personalized program that allows us to figure out where your needs are, to personalize it, make it predictive, proactive through specific testing and interventions. It's a 13-week program, and we anticipate at least a 30% improvement in your body strength, your sleep, the way you're feeling, the way you're functioning, your weight, and overall blood marker change as well. This is something that is very individualized, yet it has predictive outcomes, and that's where we work on personalization and prediction. If you'd like to know more, absolutely reach out and we'll do a one-on-one consultation.